Hi guys, Tammy with MyDentalGig here. I'm here to give you some tips and tools on how to apply for a job as a job seeker. First thing you're going to want to do is go to the login button and type in your login information. I'm already registered here, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in. As you see, once you're logged in, it's going to bring you to your job board. Your job board is going to be specific to your clinical position, meaning you're only going to see jobs in your clinical field. Once you find a job with a date and time that works well for you and your schedule, simply hit the Learn More tab, and it will give you specifics on those job details like the date and time, the software, and the job type it is. The job type is simply how they're going to pay you. Then it gives you a little general information about the office. If you ever have any more questions, you can message the office directly. If you're interested in this gig, simply hit Apply. Once you have applied for that job, to confirm your application, move over to your My Jobs tab. This will then show you which jobs you have applied for. As you can see, you have confirmation that you applied for this job. Once you have been hired for this job, you will receive an email notification, and this job will be removed from applied for, and you will now see it in your scheduled jobs. I hope this video was helpful, and stay tuned for more to come. Have a great day.